Hello my dear friends, today I am going to show you how to make Paneer biryani. 400 grams of basmati rice, coriander and mint leaves, whole garam masala namely bay leaves, fenugreek leaves, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves, some chopped onion and some chopped tomatoes. Here I am using 2 onions and 2 tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of fresh cream and 150 grams of paneer, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Powdered spices required are 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, red chili powder, ginger powder and salt. A tablespoon of ghee. So let's start cooking. Add 400 grams of rice to the rice cooker. Add the required quantity of water in the ratio of 1:2. Then add whole garam masala, a tablespoon of ghee and 4 teaspoons of salt, and then turn on the rice cooker. Once the rice is cooked, it looks like this. Now let's see how to prepare the biryani masala. Take a frying pan, add the onions and fry the onions till golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add the chopped tomatoes and fry them for 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. A tablespoonful of ginger powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, chopped mint and coriander leaves. Fry the ingredients for 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Grind it into a smooth paste and add the paneer cubes and mix it well. Separate the biryani rice from the biryani masala, and now let's see how to arrange the layers. First I'm adding a layer of rice. You can even use colors. Here I'm using the red color on top of the first layer. Add a layer of biryani masala. Spread them evenly. Add a layer of rice. Now add the other color, which is orange color, and sprinkle it all over the second layer. Add another layer of biryani masala and cover it up with a layer of rice. You can make any number of layers you want. It's just that you evenly distribute the masala. Steam cook these layers of rice and biryani masala. You can turn on your rice cooker for another 5 to 10 minutes. Then your biryani will be ready to be served hot. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe for more videos.